Hello everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Inside the Studio with Susanna. Leave your comments below. Let me know any questions you have or any topics you want to hear about. Nice talking with you. See you soon. So, of the 5 types of online businesses, as I said, the last one that I was thinking, I don't want to have, not that. Because as I said, I think the first thing in my mind was, I'm a creator. What do I want to create? Well, I'm a marketer. What do I want to marketer that I don't have to create? What do I want to market that I don't have to create? Affiliate marketing I didn't want to do because it had a bad reputation. And I say had because truly things have changed. I tried affiliate marketing, dabbled just a teensy bit. This was around 2012, 2008, really early. And there was just so much spam on the web then. Things have gotten very professional in affiliate marketing now. You're not going to get anywhere much if you're not professional. It's much better. And then there are more professional people. It's just become, there's a lot more heart in it now. And about 80% plus businesses, big businesses, all use affiliate marketing, and that provides them a great percentage of income actually. So you can look at what products you use and what products you like, and you can probably affiliate market it for them. It's like being a salesperson without having to go to the company and apply for a job and appear to their office and sit through sales training and answer to a sales manager every day and have a quota and all that kind of stuff. So it's pretty great. And hey, I'm a whiz at digital marketing, so yahoo. Now, what else is great about marketing is that it is the foundation for all of the 5 types of businesses. Affiliate marketing type businesses, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, all kinds of marketing. Marketing is how you're going to drive any of these 5 types of businesses. So I am going to focus on marketing because that is the foundation. And in digital marketing, the skills and methods you learn are the same that you would use to market your own products, your own services, in any other category. It doesn't matter how great your product is if you can't sell it. Also, you can create passive income and multiple income streams in marketing. So this is the place we start. And with most marketing businesses, you don't need to spend a lot of money to get started. You don't need to rent office space. You don't need prior experience because you can learn everything you need to know right here. It'll take some time. There is a learning curve. And there is work to be done up front, but it pays off. Now, if you have the info you need and the tools for your system right here, you can get started right away. And you have access to templates and guides and instructions to create a successful online business. Our templates, scripts, and guides help you create content, funnels, websites, anything you need, faster, better, easier. So when it comes to online marketing businesses, I choose to make my core method of income affiliate marketing. It is the fastest and easiest way to make money online. It requires no time invested in creating your own products, so I can start selling and earning immediately. Now, I will say that another great money earner is online courses. That's back in publishing, books and whatnot. Again, time to build the course, put it out there, market it, test the course, then you'll have to tweak it to improve it, blah, blah, blah. It's great. But once you get it right, you market, you have to market. But then that can keep bringing in residual income too. So that's another great source. But the affiliate marketing had the benefit of I could start earning money right away by marketing while I am creating my courses. You see? Booyah! Double twofer. Okay. When did you know that this was going to be what you were meant to do? It was a long time coming, and I knew when all my boxes were ticked, not just some of them. My boxes. It provides entirely performance-based earning potential that I'm totally in control of, offers a very real and immediate potential to earn the kind of money I want. It's a way to build a substantial passive income. Can be done anywhere in the world, anytime, so I can be free and not tied down. I answer to no one. I work how I want, when I want, as much or as little as I want. It's completely scalable. I truly enjoy the actual day-to-day task of this work, so it's easy to stay focused. I like the people in the industry, and I feel understood and among others who are like me, even as a creative. Yay! It's a very supportive community out there of people in affiliate marketing. And it's just so easy to pick a direction that fits me, and it plays to my strengths, and I know I will be rewarded and not punished or taken advantage of for these strengths, as I've been in the past. It's not stressful. Hey, did I mention I have an anxiety problem? Oh my God. Yeah, anxiety disorder. I can't deal with stress. Maybe it's that heart condition or something, but whatever. I am not stressed. I feel calm, and I feel strengthened by it, and I feel motivated by it, not drained by it. And like I said, there's a lot of positive energy in this community. It's a very strong, positive community. People helping each other, advanced people helping beginners, beginners working together, advanced people working. It's just a very sharing, good community. And now I'm going to just touch on niche. When it came to online marketing, I had to decide on a niche. Now, whether you're making your own product or you're doing affiliate marketing, you got to choose a niche. Are you going to be in health and wellness? Are you going to be in diet and weight loss? Are you going to be in survival? Apparently that's really hot right now. Are you going to be in education? I mean, there are just so many things you can be in. Now, I have a master's degree in both education and business administration, so helping other people make money, be independent through online learning and through making money online was just, for me, an obvious. That's just it for me. I wanted to get out of my situation and get into making my own money online, having my freedom and whatnot. I wanted to help other people who are like me do it. The teacher in me wants to help other people learn. I love helping people learn and seeing them grow. So here you go. That's just great for me. And this is important to me. It's very important to me because people with the unique combination of skills and temperament that have what it takes to be enormously successful so often struggle. That's how it's been for me. They also need to live a free lifestyle. I mean, need it like other people need air. Some people want this freedom, but people if you're like me, I gotta have it. And I'm a hard worker. I'm a darn hard worker, but I need to be in control. I need to do my own thing. I need to be creative. I need to feel like I can be myself and not have to stifle my personality to fit into some corporate environment. Okay, I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself because I want to ask you for your feedback on what I just shared, and let me hear from you. I would love to hear what you have experienced. Have you experienced any of the things I've talked about? Is freedom important to you? Is it a necessity for you? What about your dream lifestyle? What does that look like? What kind of tasks are your strong suits that you could use in creating a business? What's your superpower? Go to my Facebook page. That's facebook.com/Creative Alchemy Online Home Biz, B-I-Z, and Let me know what you have to say about this. I would just love to hear from you. So in summary, I would say this has been all about know yourself and know what you need, and then go pick one of those 5 categories, then pick a product and a niche. Talk to you later. Well, that concludes today's episode of Inside the Studio with Susanna, and I hope to see you next time. Have a great day.